Alright, I'm going to be installing 2 packages of bees, not beans, bees, from Woods. These are marked queens. Requirement is to have good old Grateful Dead playing. Weather report sweet from 74. Mellows them out and makes them more productive. Be back in a sec. Alright, here's how it's going to go. Get 2 packages. Set the camera up. It's going to be hive 1, 2, 3, 4. About 10,000 bees in each. I got a frame ready where the queen's going to go. 10 frame Langstroth hive. I'm going to do a bump and dump. Put the queen on, close it up, and then feed them. See how they do. All right, hive 2. Make sure I'm recording. Open up the little top here. Get the queen out. Make sure she's alive. It's a marked queen. I don't know what color. I think it's white maybe. So I sprayed all the frames with nice sugar water syrup. Oh shit, I need that piece. Drop my phone. Hey, I need that piece to actually seal them back up. I want to come out, explore. Hardest part's getting the can out. I wear gloves because bees don't like me. Alright, here we go. Take the queen out, reseal it. Give it a little shake. Lid back on and inspect the queen. She's got a white mark on it. She's got guard bees with her. Those are her bees. The rest are not hers. So they got to get used to her. I'm going to set her in this frame, facing out. Oop. Like that. That way she can breathe. Don't want her to suffocate. I'm going to let her out Tuesday. That's the queen alive. She's going to go in here. Then I'm going to do a bump and dump. Take the lid off, shake them in. Call it good. I'm going to give them a bump. Back them down. And then shake it, shake it. Killer jam, by the way. A lot of dead ones on here, but these die. All right, let's set this aside. Find the way out. Put the rest of the frames in. There's a lot of leaves in here too. I want to cut this a little bit so there's no... so the queen can breathe. Right up where she is. Good. One more. And they usually don't sting because they don't have a home. Alright, so the queen's sitting right here. These are nice calm bees. Put a lid on top and then give them some sugar syrup. Oh. Little pollen supplement. pollen patties. That right on top. That's the next one. And gotta put a spacer. Where'd I put it? Oh boy. Just have all your stuff ready. Oh. Just a little bit of a spacer here. Hurt them. Come on, get in. Alright, I'm going to close it now and then I'm going to feed them some 1-to-1 syrup. That's it. That's an install. Still got bees here. They're going to find their way out. Put them right up on top. And plenty of sugar syrup left. So I'll kind of leave that here so they can feed it. That's it. Hive 2. I used to name them, but I don't anymore. Alright. So again, just bump and dump. Shook them out. This hive's pretty active. That one overwintered nicely. The hive that was here died. And this is going to be hive 3. This one overwintered, which I would call it by name. Let's see all the pollen they're bringing in. Nice yellow pollen. This one I didn't think would make it. This is a swarm, early swarm from last year that got requeened, and thought it was never going to get back up and running, but it survived. All right. Okay. We'll do the same to the other one. No use filming. Cut. Oh, that's Froberg's. Kyle, there's your bees.